Hi everyone, I am Tanisha Bhausar and I work as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. And today we are going to learn one of the most powerful concepts in SQL, which is window functions. Now, first, understand what is window function. A window function in SQL is a function that performs a calculation across set of rows that are related to the current row without collapsing the result into a single output row. And for that, it uses over clause to define the window of rows on which the calculation is performed. In simple words, we can say it lets you look around other rows related to the current row, like comparing, ranking, or calculating totals without combining everything into one result like group by does. Let's say if you want to rank employees or compare each employee's salary with others or calculate running totals or running average, anything. Normally this requires complex queries, but with the help of window functions, we can do this easily and efficiently. How? We can see that later. So this is the basic syntax in SQL of Windows function. For that, you have to use select statement and then you can give the column names whatever you want in your result. Then the function name which you want to use as your window function like rank, tens rank, row number, etc. Then overclose and then partition by column, order by column, and then from table name. In this syntax over it defines the window partition by it groups like group by but keep rows and then order by it defines order inside the partitions. Now let's understand the window function by practical implementation. For that I have created a employees table with employee id, name, department and salary, then insert some rows in it. Now let's understand with the simple example. Suppose if you want to assign a row number to each employee based on their salary, like the employee which have highest salary gets the row number as 1 and so on. For that, we have to write select. Now in result, we can clearly see that this query assigns unique rank to each row and the highest salary gets row number as 1 and so on. Now, next, we will write a query using partition by clause. Select column names. Now, in this query, I am using row number along with partition by department. So when what happens is, instead of ranking all employees together, SQL first divides the data into smaller groups based on each department. You can see that it divides the data department wise like HR, IT, and sales. Okay. Now, inside each department, the ranking starts from 1 again. For example, in HR department, Priya has the highest salary, so she gets rank 1 and Amita gets rank 2. In the IT department, Neha gets rank 1, Karan gets 2 and Raj gets 3 and same applied on sales. So the key idea here is partition by divides the data into groups, and then the window function works separately within each group. That's why ranking resets for every department. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, drop your questions in the comments. And if you like this video and find this content helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to the Addend Analytics channel for more insights. Thank you.